I bought and tested these keyboard and mouse adapters for Xbox One, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're serious about gaming and want to ditch that controller for the precision of a keyboard and mouse, stick around. I've got the top 5 picks that will elevate your gaming experience. Product number 1, LeadJoy VX2 AIMBox. Let me start by saying that the LeadJoy VX2 AIMBox has been a game changer for me. Imagine this. You're in a heated match of Apex Legends and your heart races as you navigate through enemy fire. With the VX2 AIMBox, transitioning from a controller to a keyboard and mouse setup felt seamless. The installation was as simple as it gets. Just plug it in, connect your devices, and you're ready to go. The AIMBox's compatibility with Xbox One, PS4, and even Xbox Series XS means you're investing in versatility. The responsiveness was astounding. I could feel the difference in precision immediately, especially in FPS games where split-second decisions are crucial. It allows for customizable button mappings, giving you the freedom to tailor your gameplay. However, it's worth noting that it requires an original controller to connect, which might be a hassle for some. The only downside I encountered was a slight learning curve as I adjusted from controller to keyboard and mouse, but once I got the hang of it, there was no looking back. If you're looking for an edge in competitive gaming, the LeadJoy VX2 AIMBox is definitely worth considering. It's a solid investment for any serious gamer aiming to enhance their experience. Product number 2, AIMVICE Keyboard Mouse Adapter. Next up is the AIMVICE Keyboard Mouse Adapter, which I found to be an excellent choice for gamers who want flexibility. At first glance, its compact design and plug-and-play nature caught my attention. Imagine being able to switch between your Xbox and Nintendo Switch without the headaches of setup. This adapter simplifies that process. I was particularly impressed with its custom key mapping feature, allowing me to tailor my controls for different games. Whether you're battling it out in Fortnite or strategizing in RTS games, this feature provides the precision needed to enhance your performance. The adapter connects quickly, meaning you can jump into the action faster. On the downside, it doesn't support all mouse types, particularly those requiring drivers, which could limit options for some users. Additionally, the 3.5mm headphone jack on the controller becomes inactive once connected, which might be a bummer for those who enjoy in-game communication. If you want a versatile, budget-friendly option that works across different consoles, the AIMVICE Adapter is a solid pick that won't break the bank.
Product number 3, Arvin Keyboard Mouse Adapter. Moving on to the Arvin Keyboard and Mouse Adapter, I found this to be a great budget option without sacrificing performance. Setup was straightforward, and I was able to connect my wired keyboard and mouse without any fuss. One feature I appreciated was the custom mapping, which allows you to store different configurations for various games. This means you can adjust your setup depending on whether you're playing a fast-paced shooter or a more strategy-oriented game. The mouse sensitivity adjustment is another great touch, making it easier to find that sweet spot that fits your playstyle. However, it's essential to note that this adapter is not compatible with Bluetooth peripherals, which could limit some users. The build quality is decent, but it does feel a bit less sturdy than some higher-end options. If you're looking for an affordable adapter that gets the job done without the bells and whistles, the Arvin adapter is worth checking out. It's a no-frills option that delivers on its promise.
Product number 4, Generic Keyboard Mouse Adapter. Now, let's talk about another generic keyboard and mouse adapter, perfect for those who enjoy gaming across multiple platforms. I was pleasantly surprised by how well it performed. Right out of the box, I was able to plug it in and start gaming within minutes. The support for custom mapping means I could adjust my keyboard and mouse settings to fit my gameplay style perfectly. This is particularly useful when switching between different genres of games. It supports a variety of consoles, making it a versatile choice. One drawback I noticed was the lack of detailed instructions, which might leave some users scratching their heads during setup. But once you figure it out, it's smooth sailing. Overall, if you're looking for something that is easy to use and works well across different systems, this adapter is worth considering as it delivers a solid experience without complicated setups.
Product number 5, Benfei USB 3.0 Hub. Finally, we have the Benfei USB 3.0 Hub, which is more than just a USB splitter. It's a connectivity savior for gamers. I can't tell you how many times I needed extra ports for my keyboard, mouse, and other peripherals. This hub expands the connectivity options, allowing you to connect multiple devices without slowing down your data transfer speeds. I found the compact design to be perfect for travel. It's lightweight and easy to tuck away in my bag. The build quality is robust, with a braided nylon cable that feels durable enough to withstand daily use. One downside is that while it supports USB 3.0 speeds, you may not get the same performance if you connect older devices. However, for gamers who need extra ports, this hub is an essential accessory. If you want to streamline your gaming setup and keep everything organized, the BenFei USB hub is a fantastic addition.
In conclusion, whether you're looking for a high-end adapter like the LeeJoy VX2 AIMBox or a budget-friendly option like the AIMVICE, there's something on this list for everyone. The right keyboard and mouse adapter can elevate your gaming experience significantly, making it more enjoyable and precise. Choose wisely based on your needs, and happy gaming!